These stores on Etsy are making a fortune selling t-shirt designs. If you search on Google, how much do Etsy sellers make monthly? $500 monthly, $9,000, $3,000 to $5,000, $291, and $1,000 to $5,000. Let's prove it, shall we? Here's a store with a listing of $23 with over 5,500 reviews. To calculate their average earnings, let's multiply 5,000 by 23. That's over $115,000. Here's another store with a listing of $0.99. In the last 24 hours, there have been 8 purchases from this store. Also, this store has over 4,600 reviews. To check how much they've earned, it would be over $4,500. In this video, I will teach you how to make a simple t-shirt design with simple prompts on ChatGPT 4 and Canva. Add the design to a t-shirt, connect with an easy account, and make passive income for yourself. You'll learn everything in just 5 simple steps. Take a good sitting position as we begin. The first step, generate ideas and designs with ChatGPT 4. Go to ChatGPT and switch to version 4. If you are not subscribed to ChatGPT 4, continue watching this video because all we need is a simple template you can get for free on Canva. Let's continue. Over here, you'll see plugins. Scroll down and click on More Plugins where you'll see the plugin store. In the search bar, search for Canva and install the plugin. Once installed, let's choose other plugins like Web Pilot and Link Reader. They help us search the web for interesting words we will use for our design. Input the prompt. I want to create a male t-shirt design on Etsy. Generate 2 ideas for me based on 2 different variations of nature and cat lovers. That's just a specific theme I want. Here we can see front and back design ideas and the idea of color and additional elements we can use. Now to the second step. Generate a design template with Chat 4. If you don't have access to ChatGPT 4, search t-shirt design templates on Canva and skip to the next step. If you are a GPT-4 user, follow me closely. Since ChatGPT suggested templates we can edit on Canva, I'll tell ChatGPT please do so. Here are 2 templates we've got. Amazing, right? To view the templates, just follow this link and you can see the template right here. If you don't like the quotes or words, you can easily change it. I'll input the prompt. Give me amazing short quotes that will be suitable for a male t-shirt. And if you are a cat person or you prefer other themes, you can add it. I'll add another prompt. Using Canva, create a male t-shirt design. It should be 5,000 by 5,400 pixels, use different fonts and eye-catching colors. Here are 3 templates ChatGPT generated. I'll select one of the templates and copy and paste a generated quote to Canva. Edit the size. In this video you see at the top right corner of your screen, I taught how to create a cinematic video using free AI tools. There. You'll learn how to use Canva easily. It's a drag and drop interface. Perhaps you need a full tutorial on how to design better with Canva. Let me know in the comment section. Since our templates are the same as the previous ones, I will import the prompt. I don't like these templates, generate 5 designs for me. I can create variations by changing one word. Here are the results. Now, using Design 3, generate 10 variations and create a suitable template on Canva. It should be 4,500 by 5,400 pixels with different font styles. This will help me generate simple quotes for my t-shirt designs. I'll sure you have seen simple quotes like this around you. The style is popular and selling. Step 3. Create a bulk design on Canva. Let's tell ChatGPT to list the generated variation words alone. Let's go back to our generated templates. This one looks perfect. Future doctor with the love heart symbol. Go to Apps on Canva, search bulk, and click Bulk Create. You can either manually or upload CSV. We'll add it manually. First thing, clear table and name it Word. Go back to ChatGPT, copy one of the generated words, and paste it on Canva. You can start editing it to your preference. Now I'm done. Cool, right? Remember the way we generated our words. It only differs from the last one here. I'll right-click this one, select Connect Data, and choose Word. In the left section here, I'll click Continue and generate 10 pages. Check your generated results. Interesting, right? If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do so now to not miss the mind-blowing AI updates I'll be sharing. I want to change the color to black, so I'll follow the steps all over again. Also, choose the best font and change this to red. I'll save them as transparent backgrounds. However, if you are not on Canva Premium, you can go to remove.bg, register, upload your downloaded image, and there, you'll have your transparent background. Step 4. Mock up your design with Canva. Open a blank page on Canva in the Apps section. Scroll down till you find mockups. Choose any shirt mockup and expand it. You can also add a colored background. Now upload your text designs, select it, and drag it into the space here. To make it bigger, you can expand it before downloading and upload it again. Let's use a different mockup this time. There it is. Wow! I can't believe I did this design with AI myself. Now you must be wondering, how do I get this on Etsy? This will lead to step 5. Mock up your design on Printify and link to Etsy. Search Printify on Google or visit printify.com. Click Start for free, register with your Gmail, or manually add your email and password, and you are ready. On the homepage, click Create your first product. Choose a shirt. You should go for the ones with a lower price tag. Interestingly, you don't get to pay until you receive an order. Let's say you got a $20 sale, you pay $8 to the shirt seller, you can keep the remaining profits. Let's choose this. Scroll down and click Start Designing. Add your design from your PC, which you'll find in my library later. Expand it and explore other design settings. You can also AI-generated backgrounds here, which I won't be using. You can also preview your design in different ways. Interestingly, the t-shirt description is always intact, and every other detail you need to add. To link to Etsy, scroll down and click Connect a Store. There are different stores here. Choose Etsy. If you don't have an account on Etsy, sign up in a new tab. Click Get Started and register with Google. Just follow the simple steps. Once you are done, go back to Printify and connect it with your Etsy account. Click Grant Access, and you can explore this article provided here. Here, our product is public. You can further edit it based on your preference. Remember to finish setting up your Etsy account so buyers can trust you. Now we have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and if you'd love to learn about any AI tool, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.